It's 6:30 p.m. and as Jeff likes to say, it's another beautiful John day. It's about a 10-minute walk from our house to downtown. You can see, just like Tucson, we are surrounded by beautiful hills. You see we have a setting sun. Oops, someone with balloons. As you notice, there's a farmer's market sign here, which is tomorrow morning. Jeff and I first discovered this town 2 years ago when we came for the solar eclipse. Hello. So you're the first one I see with one of these balloons.
Yeah, and it is Friday, First Friday. And
First Friday.
You can get one of these, and if you
And what is this?
If you fill them all out, you can get a prize.
So are they about events?
Yes.
Oh, so you have to visit all of the businesses, is that right?
Play games at all the...
And you get to play games at them?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's called a...
It's supposed to be firewood.
Do you want to say your name?
Trevor Sasser.
And you go to school here at John-Day?
Yes.
And you're with your mom? Hello. So we've got one very busy block here where all the main stores are. Well, all the times I've been down the street, I never noticed this shop. House to home. So this here store is one of the last standing Radio Shacks. So you're participating in the First
Friday of the month. Yep.
So how long is the First Friday of the month party?
I think they started in May.
And this is your store?
This is my store. I'm Dawn.
Hi. And you
We
have...
do Verizon and Dish, and of course Radio Shack.
So what game do you have going on here?
It's called beer pong minus the beer. And we can get one of these kids to do it for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, girls, come show them how to do it. Okay, you got 5 balls. It's got to bounce once. You got to go in the cup.
Ooh, this game's my favorite.
It is. Oh, she's a professional at it.
Oh, brave.
Oh, I'll give you a sucker anyway. How's that?
Oh, whether you win or lose, you win. Who are you girls?
Rihanna and Taylor Sharp.
Well, you had a lot of bounce on that one.
And your grandma, right?
Yes.
So now on the other side of the road, we're at the Java jungle. So you're the face painter?
Yeah.
Oh, all of you are. So you've got a black widow on your hand, I see. These are the famous...
I'm gonna be famous.
I'd say face painters, but there's hand painters as well.
Yeah, but we had this kid that got like fire on his cheek and then like a snake on his hand. It was super cool.
Yeah. So you guys want to tell your names and...
You go first. Corin. Basically.
Justice.
Yeah.
What a nice name.
She's Morgan. She's just here, but
We're all in drama, so we're working together to get money.
Oh, no wonder. And this is our new friend, Sequoia. Hi, Sequoia. So what games do you guys have here? Or is it just the face painting? Just face painting.
First Friday is a really fun event. I've been coming every year, or every month for 2 years.
Is it year round?
No, it's
No.
just the summer months.
Just the summer, it's okay.
Summer and fall. I'm JJ Collier.
Oh, you're a drama teacher?
I'm
Or-
really the art teacher, but I got drama this year.
Well, as you can tell, there's a lot of community spirit here, and we have beautiful sunsets. So hello.
Cheese.
Cheese, say cheese. What color's your balloon?
Pink.
Pink. And what's your name?
Catherine.
Catherine? And who's this?
This is my daughter, Lily.
Lily. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Did
Show
you-
your face paint.
Oh, let's see.
I got it done right after I found Where's Waldo.
Samantha.
Oh, hi, Samantha. Wow, you got 3 beautiful girls. Let's see your face paint. And what is that?
Owl.
An owl, the wise owl.
Well, this is her best friend, but I pretty much have her at my house.
Oh, so you adopted her in your heart. She's your daughter.
Yeah.
That's the way it should be. That's beautiful. and what's your name, Mom?
I'm Ashley.
Who's next to me? It's what? Morgan. Hey, Morgan, you gonna do some videography for me for a little bit when I'm playing the piano?
Yeah.
Way cool. Now, you know what? I'm noticing the camera's got a bright background, but now we can actually see you illuminated properly. So, Morgan, you like horses, right?
Yeah.
And you have one of your own?
Yeah.
What kind of riding do you like to do?
Trail.
This is my mom. She's the painter. How long have you been painting for?
Oh, I started painting in about 2015, so 4 years now.
And what are the main things you paint?
Well, I mostly paint figurative work, and I paint Native Americans quite often. They're a lot of relatives of ours. You know, your cousins in Tri-Cities, and so I painted them several times, and quite often I also paint on copper.
What are some of the places you go for art shows?
Oh my gosh, I love going to art shows. So I've gone to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Red Lodge, Montana, Whitefish, Montana, Bend, Oregon, and here, John-Day, Oregon.
Thank you.
You're welcome, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
This is my mom's art studio. She's working on this painting here, and here's her reference photo. Over here, she has some of her already done paintings, like this one. And here is a print. Here is her logo, and this is some of her paintings. Here is another one of my mom's paintings. It's of me and my aunt. Here's one of her abstract paintings. Some of her paintings, like this one, is made out of copper. It starts out like this. My dad has Doug's Repair, and that's done here, and of course in the back. And that's about it. Doug's Repair has been going for a while. It's been going for almost 8 years and more. That's just when my dad bought it.
This here is Doug's Motor Vehicle Repair, or Doug's Automotive. And it's a very special place because his wife, Kimberly, is an artist. Hello.
Come on in.
Hey, Vanessa.
Do you want to show off some of your paintings, such as this beautiful? This almost looks like a photograph, but it's a
Yeah, I know, it's
painting.
almost photographic, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
855.
It's Catherine. Did you almost get everything filled out?
Not yet.
Are you Jesse Randles?
I don't know.
Are you Jesse Randles?
Yes.
So,
So,
Jesse?
is someone requiring mystical advice?
Oh my gosh, and what are you going to do?
This is my really silly tarot card reading. I'm a fortune teller, of course.
Well, come on.
This is Jesse Randless Mystical Advice. I'm Jesse Randless. I have mystical advice.
All right. Well, let's...
There's also Jesse Randless Criminal Advice if you need to catch a criminal.
Uh-oh.
Or Jesse Randless Detective Advice, actually. The criminal ones for committing crimes.
Well, why don't you tell my fortune?
Tell your fortune. Got a specific question in mind, or just past, present, future?
Sure. Let's do past, present, and future.
Okay. Do you want to do a quick shuffle?
Shuffle the cards.
So, past justice. Now this is so much up to your interpretation and what you can presently, what meaning can you take from these cards?
I'm Kim, Kim Randless.
Yeah.
And this is actually inspired by the Oregon Trail. Well, I was more inspired by that landscape over in that direction.
So tell me about
That's beautiful.
And thank you.
What is it?
So sensitive.
Thank you. Nice models here. So this is actually my sister-in-law and my daughter. So they posed right at my house, right next to my barn. And it was evening time, and I really thought it wasn't going to be good light because it was kind of overcast and not really great when we were taking some photos for reference. And it turned out just being this spectacular sunset, and I just really had to paint it. The flowing nature of her hair and just was really inspiring to me for a lot of reasons. Yeah, really
Well,
special.
I can see why.
Yeah. I do paint from photographs. Yeah, I do. I have painted in different styles and haven't used photographs, but that was early on, and I did some acrylic landscapes that were really, I guess, imaginative. They were really fun. I did some pointillism, which you don't need too much photo reference for that, and it's really imaginative. But I really wanted to learn realism, and so that was my goal. I like painting people, and I like connecting with people. So...
So then you got a question you're specifically going for, or just do you just want me to do general, like, just whatever?
Lots of people.
It's
been good.
The maestro at work.
Yeah, so I'm just priming this canvas a little bit and probably ruining this brush at the same time.
Oh,
I'm headed over there.
so this is where they show the movies. Oh my gosh, there's a screen over there.
I shall marry a lady who was once a commoner like yourselves. Perhaps you will not find her common now. Would you like to meet her? My people!
This is the Princess Bride.
Princess Buttercup!
Do you know what that
Movie Fridays at
Those are the
sunset.
shrieking eels.
What's that, Grandpa? You know, right?
So how long have you guys been doing this?
We've been here for 3 years. We started just before the eclipse happened, and yeah.
Did you actually put something on at the time of the eclipse
No,
in 2017?
we were shut.
The third time. The first night we did was Lauren and his buddies played, and his brother played live music, and that was a lot of fun. And then last time Yeah.
And this property here, is it like town property?
No,
No?
it belongs to a beautiful English woman.
Oh.
And she has an antique shop, and we are renting half of her building, and she's let us park the
And
car.
the equipment, the projection equipment, is that yours?
No, that was loaned. It was so sweet. I can't remember. Manitza?
Yeah. We've been trying to, well, you guys, people around have been trying to do more for the community.
Yes.
I think it kind of got in a rut, and then now a lot of people are doing more stuff, like more music in the park. And
I'm glad that you chose to come here.
Well, the eclipse brought us here, and then we saw
really?
the town, and yeah,
really nice.
it's really sweet. And what's nice about a town like this is that everybody is really connected, for better or worse.
for better or worse.
But the point is people also are looking for things to do.
Yeah.
You know, whereas in a city or something, there's so many options, everything spreads out. But in a town like this, people come together around the few things that are there.
I think the more that happens, the better. I really do. I think and more events all the time, no matter what.
Rain or shine.
Well, we're happy to be here too, both of us.
Pardon?
I said, I'm happy we came here
Oh,
too.
yeah, good. Good. Welcome.
Thank
Well,
you.
we'll see if we can get through our first winter.